What's up, everybody? It's your boy Kato back again with another video. On today's video, we're gonna be building my new rig. So I know you guys seen a couple of PC builds on my computer, on my channel. So now it's finally time to build my own rig. So those were for friends and cousins. And one of them was my brother's, but so now it's finally time to build my rig. So let's get into it, guys. All right. Alright, so I know you guys saw the end there, but I kind of changed up a few things. I changed up the RAM. The one I got was defective, but yeah. I added also 2 more sticks, so I got 32 gigabytes of RAM. As you can see, my theme here is, hold on, let me turn it on. My theme here is the Joker theme, and that is also displayed on my keyboard. Now, these are custom built keyboards. These are Gateron ink kangaroos that have been lubed with Krytox 205. So yeah, very nice. And this is my Gateron reds, just regular reds. Also have been lubed with Krytox 205. Very nice. So yeah, that's pretty much my setup here. And I got the what's it called? I got the 702s, I believe. Logitech 702 headphones. I believe that's what they're called, not 100%. I got a passport, 1000 gigabytes. This whole thing got 3000 gigabytes of storage. So yeah. Oh, and I switched the GPU also. I finally was able to get my hand on a 3060 Ti. So, alright, guys, I was just editing the video here when thought I would actually explain what's happening to my car. Well, actually, not explain. I'm just letting you guys know that there'll be an update video coming out pretty soon on my car. I will say this. I was unable to get the car fixed due to how much it would be and due to the fact that we weren't sure exactly what was going on with the car. So I will have a video on that. Probably the next video after this will be an update on what I did and what's going on. So yeah. Anyways, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a beautiful day. Don't forget, spread love, not hate. You know what it is, alright? See you guys.